big hurdle. So y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Today we're making jambalaya, Simi homemade. And so first off, you're gonna need some down-home smoked sausage. And you slice them up, put them in your pot, get them to frying. Yeah. Now after you get them sausages halfway cooked, then we're gonna drop down one whole onion. Yeah. Now you drop in 2 sticks of celery. Stir it in good. Now throw down 2 stalks of green onion. Stir it up good. Now you throw down that good old diced chicken. Stir it up good, yeah. Alright, now y'all, this is why I call it Simi homemade. Cause I got some of the Tony Chachere's jambalaya box mix. And I'm doing 2 boxes today. So y'all just, on this part, y'all just read the directions on the box. Then we're gonna add 4.5 cups of water. We're gonna stir it up real good. Bring it to a boil. Put the top on it after it comes to a boil and reduce to a simmer. And let it go until it get done. Yeah. Now you got a good rolling ball. Gonna drop your shrimp in. Stir them in real good. Cover it with the lid and turn it down to simmer. And here goes the reveal of the final product. Yeah. Ooh, good and hot. They look good, don't they, y'all? Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Be heard on the checkout. It's grub time. Yeah.